Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix hearing your own voice in your speaker or headphone in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, then Settings. Now in this system, click on Sound, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Now in here click on your microphone or headphone which you are using, then click on Properties. So select it and click on Properties. Now here click on Listen and uncheck this box, Listen to this device. So guys, you need to unselect this box, listen to this device, then click on Apply, then click on OK. So like this guys, you can fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.